Today, we will see the top 5 best play-to-earn games available right now in 2022 in the market, which will definitely lead you to great returns if you decide to invest in them. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Battle Infinity, overall best play-to-earn game. Battle Infinity, the developers of upcoming P2E game Battle Infinity, aim to combine gaming and the virtual world to design a platform that offers players numerous benefits. Players have access to 6 platforms, with the IBAT Premier League offering a fantasy sports game integrated with the metaverse. Players first buy an NFT pass to enter matches and leagues, and they can do so by buying the platform's native token, IBAT. Purchasing the coin is possible on Battle Swap, a platform designed for trading NFT passes and converting rewards into other assets. Battle Staking enables players to battle out for the highest rewards, and Battle Market puts a value on assets and characters, which usually don't have value in the traditional gaming industry. Battle Arena enables players to have their own unique avatar, but they can upgrade it by using the Battle Market to change their clothing or hairstyles. Adding caps for jewelry is also possible via the Battle Market. Battle Games platform enables players to access multiple NFT games and earn. Players can sell their winning NFT for other currencies. Frequent players can reap rewards from the global staking pool by receiving a portion of IBAT transaction fees. Owning IBAT also helps the ecosystem be more resilient, and players can use it for advertising on billboards on the platform. Players can stay up to date with the latest updates via Battle Infinity's Telegram group. Investors looking for projects with growth potential need not look any further than Battle Infinity, which is on pace to sell out its pre-sale early due to high demand from early investors. Number 2. Lucky Block, popular player-to-earn crypto game for 2022. Lucky Block logo. If you're looking for the best play-to-earn P2E crypto game in 2022, look no further than Lucky Block. Put simply, Lucky Block is an innovative crypto gaming platform that is hosted on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC), offering players the chance to win a jackpot every day. These jackpots are paid out in L-Block, Lucky Block's native token, allowing rapid prize distribution. L-Block began trading on decentralized exchanges earlier this year, with a 12% tax on token sales going directly to Lucky Block's prize pool. Therefore, the prize pool currently sits at over $2.2 million in anticipation of prize draws commencing in mid-May 2022. Each winner will be picked at random using the Chainlink VRF service, ensuring Lucky Block abides by the prevailing regulation. Tickets to Lucky Block's daily prize draws can be purchased for $5, with payments made in L-Block. L-Block can be attained in minutes through Lucky Block's website, with users able to buy BNB using a credit or debit card before swapping it into L-Block. Notably, L-Block holders who connect their crypto wallet to the Lucky Block platform will also receive a free ticket to each daily prize draw. Aside from these prize draws, Lucky Block will also offer additional P2E features, including a vast array of raffles for digital and physical items. There will also be a games gallery component with geo-targeted P2E games, providing even more opportunities for players to win prizes. On top of all this, holders of Lucky Block NFT will be entered in a separate daily prize draw that runs simultaneously to the platform's main draws, meaning there are 2 chances to win every day. These features of the Lucky Block platform have helped generate immense hype, evidenced by the fact that there are now over 4,000 to 6,000 members in the official Telegram group. With prize draws commencing soon, Lucky Block is undoubtedly our top pick when it comes to the best play-to-earn games. Number 3. Silks, exciting P2E game with innovative gameplay. Silks is another of the best play-to-earn games for 2022. Silks is more than a game leveraging blockchain technology, not least because it's an entire metaverse in itself. This play-to-earn game serves as a bridge between reality and the virtual metaverse. In essence, Silks has constructed its own virtual world in which the horse racing experience is brought to life. The platform combines training history, race records, breeds, bloodlines, and other data to create one-of-a-kind digital horses. This means you can take ownership of virtual horses in the shape of NFT that are linked to real-world thoroughbred racehorses. Every time a real-life horse triumphs in a race, $, Silk's native crypto token will be awarded to you, the owner. There are a number of racetracks, and you may pit your horse against others. As we touched on, the horses will be represented via NFT, so are transferable, which allows for the creation of a secondary market. You can use $, tokens on property and more in the Silks ecosystem. Staking Bitcoin, rearing, and selling horses are additional ways for gamers to make gains. Finally, the Silk's roadmap outlines intentions for a public sale of avatars in the second quarter of 2022. The first public auction of Silk's horses will follow, followed by land and stables for sale in the third quarter. Silk's players will be able to generate racing and breeding incentives through metaverse registration and on-ramping in the fourth quarter of 2022. Number 4. The Sandbox, best play to earn NFT game for creative people. The Sandbox is one of the best play to earn blockchain games for creative people. The Sandbox was built as an Ethereum-based open-world game. The title has since switched to Polygon's Layer 2, namely to reduce its carbon footprint and fees, as well as to increase speed. This is a popular GameFi crypto token project, and the game is most comparable to Roblox or Minecraft. You can design games, construct your own world, and organize adventures in the social center, all of which can then be sold for a profit. For instance, you can make your own minigame and charge people to play it. The Sandbox's most valuable resource is land. Each piece of land is an NFT that symbolizes virtual land ownership. Players can also design unique locations themselves. As such, you are able to rent your land to others. This P2E game also allows you to create unique goods that you can sell. As such, if you enjoy creating art, you may sell your creations on the market to earn Sand tokens. Sand tokens are also used in the metaverse for value transfer, governance, mortgages, and more. When you take part in competitions and play games on the platform, you will be eligible to earn Sand tokens. The Sandbox is available as a cell phone app and also PC, iPad, and Mac. You can buy Sandbox tokens at eToro with low and transparent fees. Number 5. Splinterland, battle against monsters for prizes and crypto tokens. Splinterland is one of the best P2E games with NFT solutions based on card games. This play-to-earn game operates on the Hive blockchain and connects with a variety of others. The card game is formerly known as Steam Monsters. Put simply, players can combat monsters in return for prizes. This game starts with a restricted number of cards. With that said, as you win additional rounds and earn more in a short amount of time, the number of cards you are given expands. By combining 2 or more of the same card, you can level up. The ERC20 token, Dark Energy Crystals deck, may be obtained through winning fights, selling cards, or engaging in other activities. Winning fights is the most common way to acquire DEC. Moreover, DEC is awarded according to you and your opponent's level, and the capture rate you achieve in each combat. As you win, your capture rate decreases, lowering your payout, but it gradually replenishes between victories. Selling cards is another great method to get DEC. You will be paid in DEC tokens for any card sales. Cards with a higher rank are more valuable. Splinterland is one of the best play-to-earn crypto games for Android. The title is also available on iOS and even desktop if you'd rather play on your PC. As we mentioned, this game uses DEC, however, you can also use the basic attention token BAT to make in-game purchases. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.